हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ स्कॉलर। माय नेम इज़ मनोज औखरे और मैं लेके आया हूँ आपके लिए एक नया वीडियो। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं ऑप एम्प के ऊपर। ऑप एम्प का फंडामेंटल वी हैव टू डिस्कस हियर। बट ऑप एम्प के फंडामेंटल बेसिक गेट 2020 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था। दैट क्वेश्चन इज़ रिलेटेड टू द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन ब्रांच, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 is what? The component in the circuit shown below are ideal if the op amp is in positive feedback. This word is very important, positive feedback, and the input voltage Vi is a sine wave which is shown here. So what will be the output voltage V0 here? The four options are here. हम लोग options बाद में देखेंगे. First of all we have to discuss the basic. Positive feedback का meaning क्या होता है और ये word यहाँ पर क्यों आया. Okay, so now go ahead. If operating mode of op amp, first of all we have to see the how the op amp is work. Operating mode of op amp is work in a two condition: open loop configuration and closed loop configuration. So in open loop configuration, the simple op amp is here, V1 and V2. This is the inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal. Here we have to apply the input. If I apply very small input in open loop configuration, it will give large output, which is shown here. So we can see here that if I apply very small input here, so it will give the large output in open loop configuration. Rather than that, in closed loop configuration, what is closed loop configuration? If you can see here that the output, the part of the output is given to the input side, to the inverting terminal, and non-inverting terminal is connected to the ground. If such a connection is there, then it is called as closed loop configuration. This fundamental can be described by using the block diagram here. Closed loop configuration. You can see here that this is an amplifier and this is an feedback network. So if the output voltage V0 is given to the feedback network and via feedback network it is given to the plus minus, means input terminal of op amp, then it is called as closed loop configuration. In closed loop configuration, feedback network having the gain is beta and the op amp having the gain is A, which is represented by the symbol A. Now how it can be classified in positive feedback and negative feedback? It is very simple. If the part of the output is given to the input here, if it is in phase, that is if I apply the input here like this, if this is an input and part of the output which is feedback via this feedback network this is shown by here. If this and this, you can see here, these two signals are in phase, so that's why if they are in phase, then this feedback is called as positive feedback. And if the input signal and the feedback signal are looking like this, it means that if they are 180 degree out of phase, then it is called as negative feedback. So this is very important point in closed loop configuration, and these two feedback networks are used in multiple applications. So positive feedback is generally used in non-linear application and negative feedback is used in linear applications. Now gain comparison. Why we are seeing the gain comparison? You can see over here, this diagram is nothing but your question number 8 diagram. This diagram is here. They are given that plus here 1k volt, 1k ohm. Part of the output is given to the input side and they are given the non-inverting terminal. If such a connection is there, then it is called as positive feedback. And if part of the output is given to the input but it is inverting terminal, then it is called as negative feedback. So in positive feedback we have to focus because question is based on the positive feedback definitely. So what I will get if I speak about the gain, closed loop gain, then what I will get, closed loop gain is equal to gain of op amp means A divided by 1 minus A beta. You have to see this factor very properly. If it is a 1 minus A beta, it means that A beta is smaller than 1. If 1 minus, for example, A beta is 0.5, तो 1 minus 0.5 आंसर is 0.5 और 0.5 का मतलब होगा 1/2, तो 1/2 डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर गोज टू न्यूमरेटर, ये हो जाएगा ट्वाइस है. इट मीन्स दैट व्हाट, closed loop gain is always greater than open loop gain. Open loop gain is what? This A is nothing but open loop gain. So in positive feedback your output is uncontrolled and that output is go beyond the level. अब ये चीज़ हमें समझने के लिए इसका ट्रांसफ़र कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स देखना पड़ेगा। और अगर उसी तरह आप नेगेटिव फीडबैक का गेन देखोगे तो गेन इज इक्वल टू ए अपॉन 1 प्लस ए बीटा। इट मीन्स व्हाट? इफ इट इज़ 1 प्लस ए बीटा देन डेफिनेटली डिनोमिनेटर इज लार्जर देन 1, so definitely its gain will be decrease. Now go in a transfer characteristics of op-amp. This will help you to solve the question. You can see here properly from this point to this point your op-amp will work in linear region, and from this point to this point मतलब ये this point, ये जो रेड लाइन दिख रही है यहाँ से यहाँ तक, it will be reach in a positive saturation region, and same case in negative side. एट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, आप यहाँ से इनपुट कितना भी बढ़ा लो आपका आउटपुट नहीं बढ़ने वाला। फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट आप इनपुट कितना भी बढ़ा लो आउटपुट नहीं बढ़ने वाला, इट विल बी अ कांस्टेंट। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड ए सैचुरेशन रीजन। तो ये सैचुरेशन रीजन कब आएगा? व्हेन यूर डिवाइस इन ऑप-एम्प इज रीच एट प्लस VCC और माइनस VE लेवल, एंड दिस इज द आइडियल केस ऑफ ऑप-एम्प। इन आइडियल केस व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपन? इन आइडियल केस फ्रॉम जीरो यू विल गेट सैचुरेशन रीजन, डायरेक्टली आप सैचुरेशन रीजन में चले जाओगे। In this saturation region you will get the plus VCC positive side and negative side minus VE. This fundamental is used in your question just like this. In your question they are given that this is the positive feedback, and I already discussed here that in a positive feedback your gain is out of control, means it will reach at the higher limit. So what will be the higher limit? You can see here that this is your higher limit, and in this situation your op-amp will go into the saturation level. So this is positive saturation level and this is the negative saturation level. In this case if you are apply this plus 1 volt, your op-amp will reach in plus VSAT, and if you apply the negative voltage then it will be reach at minus VSAT. So minus VSAT or plus VSAT is nothing but VCC and minus VE. What is VCC? 5 volt. What is VE? Minus 5 volt. It means that your answer will be a constant of either plus 5 volt or minus 5 volt. In this way the fundamentals of op-amp can be solved the gate question. तो गेट में ऐसी क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं जिसमें फंडामेंटल बेसिक नॉलेज यूज़ किया जाता है। अगर हमें बेसिक नॉलेज ही नहीं आएगा तो क्वेश्चन हम लोग सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो आज हम लोगों ने क्या क्या सीखा? हम लोगों ने ऑपरेटिंग मोड ऑफ op-amp देखे और इसका ट्रांसफ़र कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स देखा है। और ट्रांसफ़र कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में प्लस में अनकंट्रोल्ड गेन होता है, यानी पॉजिटिव फीडबैक में अनकंट्रोल्ड गेन होता है, और नेगेटिव फीडबैक में कंट्रोल्ड गेन होता है, ये हम लोगों ने देखा। इससे बेस जितने भी क्वेश्चन गेट में आए होंगे वी विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। थैंक यू गाइस। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा तो लाइक करिए एंड शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।